Hello YouTube, it's Jack Droke. I am here to talk to you about making a follower in the Skyrim Creation Kit. As you can see, this is the Skyrim Creation Kit. So I'm just gonna start with the very basics. I'm gonna assume that you know nothing, and if you do, just skip this part of the video. Skip like a minute ahead or something. I don't know. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna just click on Skyrim, but I'm gonna save you some time. And what you want to do, if you're going to ever edit the Skyrim character, you want to click on the character, and then you're going to set as active file. Well, that just undid it. No, I was going to do that. You hit OK. It's going to load up. It takes a while, so skip ahead if you want. Doesn't really matter, but I'm going to just talk for a second. If it says any warnings, just click yes. Skip all, because it doesn't matter. Yes to all. Doesn't really matter. It's just going to do its thing no matter what. If the program freezes, hit wait, it'll still load. That's happened to me twice. I wouldn't worry about it. It's fine. So here's what you need to do. Very simple. You right click over here. You click on new. Now this is the menu you're going to be presented with. I'm not going to go through it to save you time. But you do ID, name, short name, and then I'm going to show you from now with my super overpowered character that's really boring to use. So as you can see, just follow along with the instructions. Make sure essential, respawn, and unique is checked. Protected won't be up there for some reason. I don't remember why, but it'll say like encumbrance or something, 0 out of 300. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to stats. This is the maximum amount of health, magicka, and stamina you can have. So just type in a really big number and then like 10 million or something, and it'll just go down to this. This is your skill tree thing. So like my character is basically 100 and everything except everything that's important. His level is 81. All right, this is one of the important parts. The factions. You right click on this screen in here, and you go new. You type in follower, and then you do current and potential follower factions. You do current follower faction, click F2, so you can change the number. Oh yeah, just do F2 for everything if you want to do it. But it's very important to do that. I don't know why, it just is. Relationship, again, right click, new. ID, doesn't matter. Parent NPC is your person's name, which is probably going to be the default one unless it's glitched. Then save the thing and relaunch it, but I'll just tell you about that later. For now, I just did a random thing. Parent ID is that, should be the top one. Child NPC is player. That's very important. Relationship level, ally, all very important. None and no secret. Unsecret, no, that's not a secret. So here's the next thing. Only important thing on this page. Helps friends and allies. That's the only important thing. Everything else is up to you from there on out. Literally, nothing else matters. But it would be nice if you gave them Daedric armor or whatever armor you think is the coolest. You can give them no helmet Daedric armor. It doesn't really matter. This is my guy. Just go down here and click full. And I'll bring up a little window. Kind of weird to use. I'll tell you about this later though. So to give him something, all you have to do is right click and then hit new. You come down here, select whatever it is. I don't know why, that's just there for some reason. And then you scroll down if you want to give him a weapon. It's pretty far down here. It's under enchanted stuff. Just select whatever you want, and then it'll pop up. Spell list, doesn't matter, whatever you want to give him in spells. These are just two really good ones that are nice when he's fighting. Important for the perks section though, you have to do all of the perks in a single section if you want it to be full. You can't just do the Juggernaut 80. It'll only be, or the Stealth 80 here. You can't just do that. It'll only have the 20% extra stealth increase. Everything else doesn't matter. I didn't change it because I'm lazy. Only reason why I'm doing this is to give you an abridged version of the thing. That's basically it. You don't really need to worry about anything else, but here's the only other important part. So after you're done with that, just click OK. Come over here to the cell view. Oh, and if it's like, whatever reason it's like not saving, just save it. come over here and just click that. A screen will pop up, and then you just type in the mod name, whatever you want it to be. Doesn't matter. Then you go down here to the render window. You like cell view is actually going to be over here, but the render window is important. So interiors doesn't matter. If you want it to start out in the beginning of the game, I'm going to have this mod on whatever freaking Steam is. You'll see it. It's just going to be called Jackjoke. You want to download it and you just don't want to waste your time doing this. And for whatever reason, if it doesn't work, like if he doesn't talk to you, what probably happened is this: you didn't do this for some reason, the relationship. You did this wrong. I don't know. This is usually the main mistake people make while doing this. Make sure this is this, and make sure that assistance is helps friends and allies. Those are the two things that people mess up on the most. They're little details that no one cares about. Anyway, you can just put them in Riften. I don't know why. I don't remember the alphabet, but I do, or Riverwood, I'm sorry. I do it Riverwood Trader, which is somewhere. Here it is. You just double click on that. It'll open some point. There. So now you're here. This is kind of complicated to use, actually. So, mouse wheel to pan in and out. I'm going to go through the floor real quick, but this is the weird part. Shift, and then you just drag the mouse, and you can look up and stuff, but it's kind of weird. So this is the mod I made. This is him, but all you do is you select the mod, and then you drag. Wow, I'm retarded. Okay, there it goes. Finally, goddamn it. And then you drag over to the thing, and then you just let go. I'm not gonna put him twice in the game right now. And then you just let go, and then all you have to do from there, exit out. Make sure you click save, and then save the mod as whatever name you want. I'm not gonna save it because I probably did something to my character that I didn't want to do. As you can see, I'm using Fraps. If you don't use it, I recommend it. Buy it. It's $40. As good as any capture card, as you probably can see in this video. From there, just launch Steam, launch Skyrim. Go to data files, make sure this. So this is the mod. I don't know, it's just some of the mod I made. Make sure it's checked, and then hit OK. Hit play, and